This is a case of a mixed warehouse for different types of materials. Adopt bin racks and bin robots. When there is an inbound requirement, the bin robot replenishes empty bins to the inbound workstation. Scan the QR code on the bin to bind the bin information. Manually label the incoming materials, then scan the code of the materials and place them into bins. After being fully loaded, the bins are conveyed to the bin robot receiving station. The bin robot receives the bins and transports them to the designated location assigned by the system. The bin robot can carry up to 8 bins at a time. When there is an outbound demand, the bin robot receives the outbound order and starts locating and delivering the goods. The travel path of the bin robot is guided by floor queue accounts with full process laser obstacle avoidance. The bin robot delivers the bins to the outbound picking station. Outbound personnel sort the materials according to the outbound order. If an outbound error occurs, an alarm is triggered and shipment is blocked. When there are residual materials, the sorter relabels the remaining materials, enters the quantity, and re-warehouses them. Residual bins are conveyed to the loading port of the bin robot via the roller conveyor line. The bin robot re-warehouses the remaining residual bins. The bin robot automatically initiates charging when the battery level is below 30%. Empty bins generated at the outbound end are transported manually to the inbound end. Fully sorted orders are transported to the SMT workshop by manual hydraulic forklifts.